Hello to everybody. For today's lesson, we are going to discuss about polynomials. So when you say polynomials are algebraic expressions that includes real numbers and variables. I'm going to show you how to apply the distributive property of multiplication. For example, we have 3 times x plus 5. If we will apply here the distributive property of multiplication, distribute the whole number 3 to x, then 3 to positive 5. 3 times x is equals to 3x, then 3 times 5 is equals to 15. So this is now the answer using the distributive property of multiplication. Another example is, let's have 5 times 2x minus 4. So the same process, you just only distribute the whole number here outside the parentheses. 5 times 2x is equals to 10x. Then 5 times negative 4 equals negative 20. Then this is not the answer. Now, if there is a variable outside the parentheses or bracket, let's say we have 3x times 4x squared minus 5x plus 2. So all you have to do is just distribute as usual. So distribute in the first term, distribute it here, then distribute to the last term inside the parentheses. Now 3x times 4x squared is equals to, first multiply the whole number, 3 times 4, it is equals to 12. Then x times x squared will become x cubed. We apply the law of exponent. When we multiply the same variable or the same base, so just add the exponents. So there's 1 here, so 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then 3 times negative 5, we have negative 15. Then x times x will become x squared. Then 3 times, or 3x times 2 is equals to 6x. So this is now the answer. This is the example of how we apply or use distributive property of multiplication. Okay. Next is simplifying polynomials. So how will you simplify polynomials? Of course, if you are going to simplify polynomials, you are going to combine like terms. We can only combine like terms if the exponent and the variable are the same. We cannot combine if they have different exponents. For example, simplify this polynomial. We have 3x cubed plus 2x plus 5 plus 6x squared plus 8x minus 3 minus 5x cubed. Okay. So when you simplify polynomials, if you want to arrange your answer in descending power of exponent, so let's start with the degree of 5. The highest degree here is 3. So we have now 3x cubed and negative 5x cubed. If we will combine this term, you are going to use the operation subtraction because we have the 3x cubed minus 5x squared, 5x cubed. So this will be your operational. So the answer is negative 2x cubed. And the next is we have x squared here, but we don't have, we cannot combine to other terms. So just copy plus 6x squared. Next is 2x and 8x. Positive 2x plus 8x will become now 10x. And then we have 5 minus 3. So we call this constant term. 5 minus 3 equals 2. So this is now your answer. Another example. Let's have, if we have 3x squared y minus 5xy plus 2 plus 6yx squared plus 3xy minus 10. Okay? Now, first check, sometimes the terms are arranged, sometimes the terms is not properly arranged, like 3x squared y, then 6yx squared. But if you are going to observe the exponent of the variable, we have x squared, we have x squared y and y. So we can combine this. So 3 plus 6 equals 9, x squared y. We can combine also negative 5xy and positive 3xy. Negative 5 plus 3 equals negative 2xy. Then 2 minus 10 equals negative 8. So this is the answer. Next is adding and subtracting polynomials. To add and subtract polynomials, so they have the same method. We can only add and subtract polynomials if they have common terms, or what we call as like terms. Example, if we have quantity or bracket x plus 7 minus or plus 3x minus 5. So first remove the bracket or the parentheses. So it will become now x plus 7 plus 3x minus 5. Then combine similar terms. So x plus 3x, so we can combine these two. So it will become now 4x. Why 4x? Because understood there's numerical coefficient of 1 here. Then 7 minus 5 is equals to positive 2. So this is the answer. Another example, number 2. How about if we have 2x minus 6, then minus 3x plus 12. Now, first remove the parentheses or the bracket here. So we have now 2x minus 6. Then since the operation is subtraction, unlike in addition, we just only totally remove the parentheses or the bracket, while here you are going to apply distributive property, because understood there is a numerical coefficient of 1 here. So negative 1 times 3x equals negative 3x. The negative 1 times positive 12 will be minus 12. Then after that, you are going to combine similar terms. So we have now 2x minus 3x will become negative x. Then negative 6 minus 12 equals negative 18. So this is now the answer.